we're gonna make a stuffed pizza. It's a leftover fantasy.
This Thanksgiving season, are you tired of using your leftovers and eating a sandwich, a soup, a salad? All boring options. They're delicious, but a little bit boring.
A little bit.
But what are we gonna do today to make it a little bit more exciting?
Let's find out.
Okay, let's get to it.
So we're gonna make a stuffed pizza, which you could eat like a sandwich or not.
All right.
We're gonna open up.
You're gonna use 2 of them, I see.
We're gonna use 2. We're gonna lay one over the other. So in Italy, a lot of times we do pizza imbottita, which is a stuffed pizza.
So calzone.
No,
No. What's the
No.
difference?
this is like 2 sandwiches, two pizzas, not sandwiches, 2, you'll see.
All right. So just so we're clear, this is not a calzone.
Not a calzone. So first things first, those leftover sweet potatoes,
Yeah. Ooh.
we're gonna use it. We're gonna use this as the base.
Oh, interesting.
Just gonna scoop it out onto the pizza.
I love that orange color of sweet potato.
It's so nice. Just mash it up and put it around. And also in Italy, it's a big thing, pizza with potatoes. Next, we're gonna take our familiar and fabulous leftover turkey. We're gonna put our white meat, our dark meat. This is mostly white meat today.
People like to eat all the dark meat, my man.
The darker the meat. Now, usually when I make a pizza, I put the cheese on the bottom over the sauce. Here we're gonna use a smoked caciocavallo. So it's a smoked cheese.
Can you use a smoked cheddar if you wanted to?
Whatever you have on hand. It's a leftover fantasy. Just gonna stretch out our little dough. Place it over.
So the layer on top is thinner?
It's thinner. Sometimes it's thicker.
Okay.
I'm just having fun today. On top of that, we're gonna add some more cheese. The cheese is gonna be nice and gooey
Okay.
under the dough.
Yeah.
On top of the dough, it's gonna get nice and crispy. You're gonna have 2 textures
All about the texture, right?
and a bunch of flavor. It's gonna make it pretty. Una bella pizza imbottita. It's very similar to what now in Chicago is the deep dish
Yeah.
in a way, but this is being done. Into the oven it goes. A few moments later.
Ooh. Charred, not burnt.
Crispy, crunchy on the outside. Let's see what's on the inside. You could either eat this that way or some of your leftover gravy, a fantastic slice of your literal turkey pot pie, a little demi-lune of gravy.
There you have it. Some leftover turkey pot pie pizza.
Don't forget your gravy dipping sauce. Goes great with bacon and Brussels sprouts too.
It tastes like the day after Thanksgiving's. If you enjoyed this pizza and you're in Montreal, check out G Pizzas with an S.com.
.com.
And make sure to subscribe to this channel and check out these other great videos.